Hello guys, welcome back to Python programming. So in this unit, we're going to look at bonus exercises. So we have two exercises where we're going to use loops and condition statements. So our first exercise is to determine, we'll be given a range, and then we're to determine for each value whether the value is even or odd. So for example, let's say we have a range from 1 to 10. So we're going to print out each number which is even, with the first part to be even, then so it will be like even. So 2 is even, and then let's say odd, we will have 3. So we'll print them out like that. Or of course, yeah, we can change the position, so we can print 2 even, then 3 odd, just like that. So our first thing which we're going to do here to realize this problem, we're going to ask for the user's input, and then later on we're going to use loops and condition statements to determine and solve the problem in short. So here we're going to ask for user input. So we're going to ask for the lower value, like the starting point and then the ending point. So I will start equals to, so because we're working with a loop, so we're going to use integers, because if we use a floating value, that would cause us problem. So enter the starting value. So we can get, then just have this one as the ending value. All right, so here we're going to get values from the user, then we're going to utilize a for loop. So the easiest here, we're going to use a for loop. So for I, so this is just for iterating through in range. So the range will be starting from the starting value to the ending value plus 1. The reason why I'm putting plus 1, I want the ending value to be included as well. So now we're going to put a condition here to determine whether a value is even odd. So the easiest way to have a value, to know whether a value is even odd, we usually use the module. So if a number is a number with module of 2, it gives us 0, then this number, it implies that this number is even, else it is odd. So we're going to use this same condition here. So we're going to say E, because E, what is doing here, it to start from the first starting number. Let's say it's 1, so it will be 1, 2. E will be changing, so for each value, so you will take E is equals to module with 2 is equals to 0, then print. So we'll print the value itself, and then we'll say it's even, and then else print odd. So here we'll put the E again. So notice here that each time E changes, so let's assume we've gotten values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what it will do is the first value for E, the starting point is 0, so it will get E is equals to 0, then it will test E module of 2 is equals to 0, so it will be 0, so it will print out even. And then come to 1 here, it will be wrong, it will fail, so it will be false, the condition. Then it will come here, so we'll print out the 1 as odd, so etc, etc. That's how it works. So we're going to test the program. So that is all. Then we are going to test the program and then see if we have any bug. So voila, this is lab, it's labs, and then lab 2. Okay, so the name of the program is, I'm going to read Python 3 and then bonus.py. So run it, enter the starting value, so I'll get 1, and then the ending value I'll get 10. So 1, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. All right, that is it with this one. So you can put whatever range you prefer. So let me run it again. I can put the starting point to be 20 to maybe 50. Yeah, so from 20 to 50, you can see here we printed it out like that. So now let us solve the second problem. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to comment out this for us to work with only second